Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to class 5. I hope you all are well. I am Seema Ravindran and I will be uploading videos for class 5 social studies. I hope all of you have got your book. Today is your first social studies class and today we will start with our first chapter, that is globes and maps. In this lesson, we will learn about the earth and the globe, the language of maps, latitudes and longitudes, locating places. Children, can you tell me how can we identify places of earth's surface? Why do you think the earth appears blue from space? For identifying places on the earth's surface, we need globes or maps. Let us learn more about globes and maps. Our first topic, earth and globe. Let us start. The first topic, earth. Our earth is a planet. It is the only planet that has life on it. The surface of the earth is divided into land and water. 3/4 of the surface of the earth is covered with water. The rest is covered with land. How many planets are there in our solar system? Yes, there are 8 planets in the solar system. You already learned in your previous class. Our earth is a planet. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. This is the reason why earth is also called the blue planet. It is the only planet where the air contains oxygen. The large water bodies are called oceans and the large land masses are called continents. Oceans means the large water bodies are called oceans. How many oceans are there? There are 5 major oceans on earth. The large land masses are called continents. Continents means large land masses are called continents. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents on the earth. The earth is spherical in shape. What is the shape of the earth? Spherical. Astronauts who have taken pictures from the space have proved this. However, it looks flat to us as we can see only a very small part of the huge earth. Astronaut means a person trained for going into space. Astronaut means a person trained for going into space. Yes. Our earth is a planet. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. Yes. How many continents are there? How many oceans are there? How many continents are there? There are 7 continents on the earth. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans on the earth. The large water bodies are called oceans. Large land masses are called continents. The shape of the earth is spherical. Yes, children. Next topic, globe. The word globe comes from the Latin word globus, meaning round, mass or sphere. A globe is a small model of the earth. You can see continents and oceans on it. Different colors are used to show water bodies and land masses on it. Ocean means the large water bodies are called oceans. Continents means the large land masses are called continents. It also shows the shape and location of countries and the location of important cities. A globe is a small model of the earth. Globe is a small model of the earth. You can only see half of the globe at one time. However, you can turn the globe around to see the other half. It can be turned around, a line passing through it. This line is called the axis. This line is called the axis. The axis is not vertical. It is tilted at an angle of 23½ degree. Yes, the axis is not vertical. It is tilted at an angle of 23½ degree. Yes. The earth constantly rotates or turns around its axis of rotation. The axis of rotation of the globe is similar to that of the earth. It is also tilted at an angle of 23½ degree. The axis of the globe has two endpoints. The axis of the globe has two endpoints. We call these points the poles. We call these points the poles. The northernmost point on the top of the globe is called North Pole, and the southernmost point on its bottom is called South Pole. The northernmost point on the top of the globe is called North Pole, and the southernmost point on its bottom is called South Pole. Midway between the poles is an imaginary line circling the earth. It is called equator. It is called equator. It divides the earth into two hemispheres. To the north of the equator is the northern hemisphere, and to the south of the equator is the southern hemisphere. The northernmost point on the top of the globe is called North Pole, and the southernmost point on its bottom is called South Pole. Yes. Though a globe is a perfect model of the earth and shows the accurate location of various places, it has certain limitations. That means it has certain disadvantages. What are they? It occupies a lot of space and it is difficult to carry from one place to another. That is very difficult to carry from one place to another place. That is the first limitation, that is disadvantage. Next one, we cannot see the whole earth at the same time. We cannot see the whole earth at the same time. Next one, it cannot give us a detailed information. It cannot give us a detailed information. Next one, it is not possible to make a globe which represents a part of the earth. It is not possible to make a globe which represents a part of the earth. These are the certain limitations. These are some disadvantages. It occupies a lot of space and is difficult to carry from one place to another. We cannot see the whole earth at the same time. Next, it cannot give us a detailed information. Last, it is not possible to make a globe which represents a part of the earth. Yes. Next class, I will teach you map and language of maps. You children, you have to read the taught portion. One homework I am giving you, that is page number 2. Page number 2, classwork written in your book only. You have to do name the 7 continents. You have to write the 7 continents name. This is you already learned. Your previous class of standard 3 and standard 4 you already learned. Therefore, name the 7 continents. You have to write the name of the continents name. Name the 4 oceans name also. You have to write there. This is your homework. Read the taught portion. Then you have to do in your book. No need to write in the copy. You do in your book. Yes, children. Thank you.